This is the only gold trading strategy you will ever need. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make $1,000 a day. So the strategy we are going to be using is called the support and the resistance. Wait, I know you know what support and resistance is. If you want to learn how to trade gold profitably and if you want to make 1K a day trading gold, then watch this video. The whole gist of this strategy is that we are going to be looking for a trend and also a break and a retest. But before we continue, I'm going to give you guys 3 reasons why this strategy is so powerful. Number 1, you are trading the smart money concept way, right? You're trading with the smart money. Number 2, you can use this strategy in any market condition, whether it is consolidation, whether it is uptrend, a bearish move or a bullish move, right? And number 3 is that you can use it on any instrument, whether the stock market, the forex market, the cryptocurrency market, and even the future market, right? You can use this strategy on it. So as you can see my screen here, what we have here, we are going to be focusing on only bullish move and only a bearish move, right? So as you can see from this screen here, we have a bullish move on this example. And on the bullish move, we have an impulse move, we have a correction, we have impulse move, the green one, and we have the correction, the red one. Then we have what? Impulse move. Right now, on the bearish move, we have the impulse move, we have the correction, we have the impulse move, and we have a correction. And also, we have the impulse move here. Now, I want to show you something. How do you take advantage of all this trade? Before we jump to the examples of the chart, just like this example now, this impulse move here gave you a higher high here, and you have a higher low. Then here, this recent higher high is your resistance. So price broke your resistance, you will expect price to pull back and retest, then give you an entry confirmation so that you can buy. Right. So let me show you guys a simple example. I'm going to have to clone this thing right now, just like this. I'm going to have to clone this thing, just like this. All right. So now, as you can see right now, we have a resistance here, and we have a support here, which is higher high, a higher low, a higher high, and a higher low, and then a higher highs. But right now, what do we expect? Price gave us a higher highs. We expect price to drop to this level, break our resistance zone already. We expect a pullback to retest. If price pulls back to retest just like that, then we can look for a what? We can look for a bullish move, all right? Then we can expect a buys. Then we execute our trade around this level. I'm going to show you guys this example on the chart. Now we are talking about trend and also a break and retest right now. This rectangle box you're seeing here is what we use to plot our support and resistance, all right? Now, as you can see here, we have a recent support here because price gives us a lower lows and a lower highs. Then this lower lows here is our support. What did price do? Price broke our support, pulls back, turned that our support into a resistance. And what do? We look for a selling opportunity. Just here like this. On here, this is our lower lows here, right? And this lower low is our support right now. What did price do here? Price broke our support and closed with that body candle, right? Then price rallied all the way down, gave us a double bottom here, then pulls back to retest and leave us a weak rejection here. This is where we execute our trade. Now, trend is bearish, and also we have a strong break and retest around that level. Now, what should we be expecting? We are going to be expecting a quick 1 to 5 on this trade right now. Let's say it is 1 to 5 here. Let's say this is a 1 to 5 risk to reward. Now, this is a perfect example of a selling opportunity. Now, let's go to the example of a buying opportunity real quick. Okay, now, I want you to take a look at this trade right now. As you can see here, we have a resistance zone here. If you extend to this level, price is heading to the upside, right? Then we have a resistance zone here because of what? Price was coming from the downside, giving us already. Price gave us a change of structure pattern here. Then we have a higher highs and a higher lows. This higher lows was a double bottom. Price continued heading to the upside and gave us a higher highs, right? Then and a higher lows here. Then we have a higher highs here and a higher lows here, right? Right now, this recent high is our resistance zone, right? We have a resistance, and a resistance. Price broke our resistance zone, pulls back to retest. Now, after price pulls back to retest, price gave us a confirmation here, a buying opportunity confirmation. And what do? We execute at this level, our stop loss below, just like this, and we target a minimum of what? 1 to 5 on this example. This is the best way you should be trading support and resistance and a break and a retest. So as you can see on here, we have a simple resistance zone here, just like this. As you can see, we have a simple resistance zone there. Price broke our resistance, then pulls back to retest. This is where we execute our trade, a break and a retest. Now, what if you are not trusting this one because it is like an evening star? Right now, this is a clean example. Price pulls back to retest, leave us a weak rejection, and now we execute our buy on this level. Very, very simple. Now, look at this example still. What do we have here? We have a resistance here. Just like this, price broke our resistance and pulls back to retest, leave us a weak rejection here. After that retest, now what do? We execute our trade from here, just like this. And we target a what? A minimum of 1, a minimum of what? A minimum of 1 to 5, just like this. Now, how do you make $1,000 a day if you don't have your personal capital? That is when prop firms comes in. All right. Now, we have multiple prop firms. We have the fundedness here, and we have the funding pips. Now, just for clarification, I am not promoting any prop firm here. I am not promoting any evaluation here, right? Evaluation company here, proprietary firm company. This is just an example and how you can make $1,000 a day trading. All right. Now, without passing evaluation, on the fundedness account, what do we have here? We have an instant funding, and as you can see right now, it is new. Right? On the instant funding, we have a maximum loss of 8%. They cancelled it from 6% to 8% recently, and they have account balance of $5,000 from $5,000 to $10,000 and up to what? And up to $20,000. Right now, for me, I'm going to be going for the $20,000. If I really want to make money, if I want to make $1,000 a day, I will really be going for the $20,000 account. And as you can see, we have the maximum loss, limit. Then we have the daily loss limit, and we have the maximum limit type. As you can see, trading, they have news trading, weekend holding is complete, profit split 80%, and on demand payout is on demand, and consistency rule cancelled, refundable fee cancelled. Now I just decided to read that rules for you guys quickly. Now, how do you make $20,000 a day? As you can see, for you not to risk too much on your trade and to go down on this percentage, what do? You come all the way to your calculator, right? Now, on your calculator, this is a gold market, and I already put the calculation here, but I'm going to use this example for you guys. Let's say we are trading gold. We click on gold there, right? Then we have a $20,000 account. What I'm going to be doing on this example is that I'm going to be risking a 1% of my account. And let's say our stop loss is 50 pips, right? Or let's say our stop loss is 100 pips, just like this. What do? We hit on calculator, just like this. Now, we are advised, in order for us not to lose more than 1% of our account, which is $200 here, we are advised to use 0.2 lot on our MetaTrader 5 or on any trading platform you're using. All right, now, you go to your MetaTrader 5. Let's say you see a trade on a gold here. Let's say this is 105 and this is 100 pip stop loss on gold right now on this example here. This is a 1 to 5 risk to reward. Now, what do? You risk 1%, which is your $200 here on your account. And remember, this is a live funding account, right? You risk $200. Then what do? You target a minimum of 1 to 5. That means $200. You're risking $200, which is your 1%. Let's make that calculation. $200 times $200 times what? Let's say $200 times 5, right? That is equal to what? $1,000. That is equal to $1,000 here. Can you see how you can make $1,000 a day with this trading strategy? Fucking simple, guys. This strategy is very, very simple. This is a premium content that I'm supposed to give to my students, but why not? My goal here on YouTube is to simplify trading and make you guys profitable. All right, now let's say on this second example, as you can see here, you target a minimum of 1 to 5, just like this from here. You risk your $200 and you target a minimum of 1 to 5. Then what would you do? You see that you will be up for 5%, and this is instant funding, and withdrawal profit split is 80%. Now you're giving them $200, you're taking your $800, and as you can see, it's on demand. Guys, what possible ways or what easy ways are you still looking for here? Instant funding, no consistency rules, right? If at all consistency rule is here, you'll see that they would have marked it here. But right now, no consistency rules, and these prop firms, they pay out a lot. I believe you've learned a lot from this video here, right? I believe you learned a lot from this video and how you can start making $1,000 a day from this strategy. All right, this is the best gold trading strategy, and as you can see from a screenshot here, and from a screenshot here, this is the strategy that I use to make money on gold. All right, guys, if you love this video, I want you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on post notification to get notified whenever I drop new video. All right, guys, do not forget to comment and do not forget to like this video. If you want me to create any videos for you, then you can comment it in the comment section and I'm going to create it for you. Other than that, guys, peace.